is making another fruit salad by using a recipe.
Tap any fruit on the recipe. Watermelon. Color the watermelon in pink. Pink. Watermelon. The watermelon is pink. Watermelon. Awesome! Tap here. Lemon. Color the lemon in yellow. Yellow. Lemon. The lemon is yellow. Lemon. Nice! Touch a fruit. Orange. Color the orange in orange. 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 The orange is orange. Orange. Great! Tap any fruit on the recipe. Apple. Color the apple in red. Red. Apple. The apple is red. Apple. Awesome! Now let's make a fruit salad. Cut the fruits with your finger. Ready, set, go! Orange, watermelon, lemon, orange, apple, watermelon, orange, lemon, lemon, orange, apple, orange, watermelon, apple, lemon, orange, lemon, apple, apple, apple. Nice. Lemon, orange, lemon, apple, lemon, orange, watermelon, orange, apple, lemon, orange, apple, watermelon, apple, orange, orange, watermelon, apple, lemon, orange, apple, apple, watermelon, orange, apple, lemon, orange. Time's up! It's time to mix the fruit salad. Tap the spoon. Great job today! Time to eat the fruit salad. Keep up the good work. See you next time.